Today we will discuss on the topic reporting of ADR. So firstly we see what is ADR. ADR means adverse drug reaction. It is any response to a drug which is noxious and unintended occur at those normally used in a man for prophylaxis, diagnosis or therapy of disease or for the modification of the physiological function. For example, when drug metabolized temporarily by inhibited disorder or another drug. Pharmacovigilance, it is a critical field within the pharmaceuticals science dedicated to the monitoring the safety of medication after they have been approved for use. One of its primary objective is to identify, assess and understand adverse drug reaction to ensure that the benefit of drugs outweigh its risks. Reporting of ADR play a vital role in this process, enabling regulatory authorities, healthcare providers, and also pharmaceutical companies to gather essential safety data. Adverse reaction can range from the mild side effect to the severe reaction, including leading to hospitalization or even death. Their significance cannot be overstated, as they contribute to the morbidity, increase healthcare cost, and sometimes withdrawal of the drug from the market. The importance of adverse reaction reporting lies in its ability to report, to enhance drug safety, guide clinical practice, inform regulatory decisions, and also support ongoing research into drug safety and efficacy. By understanding the frequency of ADR and severity of ADR, the stakeholders can develop strategies to mitigate risk. Now we see who can report the ADR. The healthcare professional or also non-healthcare professional also reporting the ADR. In healthcare professional such as clinician, dentist, pharmacist, nurse, physician, physiotherapist, these can report ADR. Non-healthcare professional including such as the consumer patient can report the ADR. When to report the ADR? When the ADR should be reported immediately, the report can be incorrect and reliable if ADR reporting is delayed. To report when all ADR as a result of prescription and non-prescription medicinal products or drugs. Suspected ADR when irrespective product information delivered by the company, predicted reaction of the ADR along with the product irrespective of their nature and severity. When a serious reaction occur, whether it is expected or not expected. Suspected ADR with related to the drug interaction, drug food interaction, or also drug food supplement interaction. Overdose or medication error leading to ADR, common lack of efficacy or dedication of suspected pharmaceutical flaws. Then we can how to report the ADR. Standardized ADR reporting form should be used for the reporting. ADR in the reporting form should be filled appropriately. In case of ADR is encountered, separate form with complete information should be used for every individuals. Completely filled ADR form should be returned to the nearest ADR monitoring center or to the national coordinating centers. Follow-up information should be forwarded by another ADR form. In case of ADR case has been reported already, it can also be communicated by the telephone, fax or email. Follow-up report should be recognizable, including follow-up points such as follow-up information, date of original, patient identity. Suspected adverse drug reaction form for the healthcare professional. This form is divided into the 4 sections. Next is the patient information, then suspect adverse drug reaction, then next is the suspect medications, and last one is the reporter details. Then what happened to submitted the information of ADR reporting at adverse drug reaction monitoring center by using WHO UMC scale. Casualty assessment should be carried out. The analyzed form should be forwarded to the National Coordinating Center or also ADR database. At the last, the data should be examined and sent to the Global Pharmacovigilance Database that is managed by the WHO Upasana Monitoring Center by the Sweden. The report should be revised from time to time by the National Coordinating Center. The information produced based on these reports is in continuous evaluation of the benefit risk of medicines. Now we see the reporting mechanism. ADR can be reported to the various mechanisms including the spontaneous report, electronic reporting system or active surveillance. Spontaneous reporting, the healthcare professional and patient can report ADR voluntarily to the regulatory bodies. This report provide real world data on the drug safety. Electronic reporting system, the many countries have developed online platforms streamline the reporting process, making it easier for the healthcare provider to submit report quickly and efficiently. In active surveillance method, some cases the health authorities conduct studies to actively solicit the report on ADR, especially for the newly marketed drug or those with known safety concern. Now we see the benefits of reporting of ADR. In this, help in evaluation of the drug safety of drug therapies, especially of those drugs that approved recently. It offer updated drug information to the healthcare professional and also the other stakeholders. Aids in evaluating the economic impact of ADR inhibition by reducing hospitalization, using optimal and economical drug, and by minimizing organizational liability. It also ensure patient safety by carrying out the following regulatory action on the basis of ADR report, such as advancing inserting package, marketing authorization, recall means the drug withdrawal, calling batch on the basis of the ADR cluster, and also classification change such as from over the counter to the prescription, medicines, special prescription or the restricted prescription. Reporting of ADR is one of the most important parameter of the medical treatment. ADR or adverse event reporting involves triage, receipt, the data entry, distribution, assessment, achieving and reporting of adverse event data and in documentation. So that's all about the reporting of ADR. Thank you.